open box video of the Ovvi POS monitor. As you can see right here on the top, there's going to be a box. This box contains all of the different power cords that you're going to be using for your Ovvi. Here's going to be some paper. For now, I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. There's going to be some plastic. And very carefully, we're going to pull out the Ovvi POS system screen. Then we're going to remove the plastic. Comes with a lot of different plastic for protection. And this is your system. This is the system POS screen. As you can see, it comes with an MSR for you to use, not really for credit card processing anymore, because now we have chip cards, but this is really for manager cards and employee cards, in case you want to add that to your system. And here we're going to assemble the base. First thing you're going to do is open it very carefully and lay it down on the plastic bag that it comes with. Then you're going to pull out the base like this. And then you're going to pull these two little things over here. There's an instruction so that you can align the base with the three screws, the three holes for the screws. These screws come inside the box. This box that we were looking at earlier. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna screw the base in. Ovvi really sets it up in a very easy way to do it, so that if you're kind of a hands-on kind of business owner and you want to do it yourself, you could definitely do it. But if you want an Ovvi dealer to do it for you, you could contact Direct Processing Network. As you can see, very quickly we can assemble that base. Just the last one now. Okay, now I can remove the plastic and the screen is ready to go. Now the last step would be to undo the power cord. As you can see, it has two sections, just like any other electronic that you're connecting to electricity. Now I'm going to show you where you're going to connect this. Right here on the back of the screen, you're going to use both of your hands like this. There's actually arrows so that you can remove the back part of the screen. Then you're going to look for the one that says POS terminal adapter. Pretty self-explanatory. And as you can see, it's a little circle. And it's pretty much the only one in the back that's a circle. Now we're going to connect it to power. We're not going to put the cover yet because we're still going to work on it. But at this point, you can go ahead and flip your POS system. Press the button that is right behind here. And the screen is going to come up. The only thing that we're missing is the internet connection to that screen. If you would like to watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me any comments below with anything else you would like to learn about Ovvi POS.